it really came to a head when I was still in corporate medicine and had a guy come in with really bad type 2 diabetes. Matter of fact, his A1C was like 14. And,
holy smokes.
And he was very resistant to get on medicine. Now, normally a patient coming in with that, type of A1C, I mean, I would have thrown the kitchen sink at him. I would have put him on, a bunch of medication, probably would have started him on insulin. And he was very resistant. And I said, look, here's what I've been learning. And you can do this, 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 and this. And he's like, I'll do it. And I was like, okay. So I let this guy walk out the door with an A1C of 14 without any medication. And I was kind of worried about it. I said, all right, you got to come back in 3 months. And if this isn't drastically improved, you're going to be on a whole lot of medication. He said, okay. Well, he left. He came back in 4 months, not 3 months, but 4 months. He did everything I had asked him to do, which was, an extreme low carb diet. He was fasting, exercise. I mean, he tried to worked on building muscle to help with his metabolic health. I mean, like, he did all the stuff.
Wow.
So he came back in 4 months. We rechecked labs. His diabetes was gone. Like, not only his A1C was, and I used to have a picture of it for years and years. I had a picture of it. His A1C went from 14 something to 4. It was 4 point something. His insulin level was normal. His C-peptide normal. Like, everything, all his labs were completely normal. I just was looking at it like, why didn't anybody teach me this in medical school?
I know.
And I was like, well, I guess you're cured. Come back if you need me. He's like, all right, cool. So it was at that point I thought, there's some better ways to do things. And there's some of these things actually work.